Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Siti Komariah. Today I will presentation about audience analysis, focus on demographic audience analysis and situational audience analysis. This presentation is to fulfill my midterm task from my lecturer, Miss Fanny Meidasari, on academic speaking for specific purpose at Unindra Universities. Understanding our audience is one of the most important things for preparing our public speech or presentation. Without knowing who we are talking to, even a great message can fail to reach its goals. In public speaking, this analysis like a map that guide us to choose the right words, examples, and delivery style. There are several types of audience analysis, but today I will focus on two major ones: demographic audience analysis and situational audience analysis. Let's see the first audience analysis based on demographic audience analysis. Demographic audience analysis focuses on characteristic of our audience such as gender, age, education and occupation, and the last is cultural background or religion. The first one based on age characteristic. How old our audience is? It has different ways to share our ideas to the audience. Younger audience may prefer modern examples or humor, while an old audience may prefer traditional references. Second, about gender characteristic. Some topics or expression may appeal differently to male and female. And third, education and occupation background. Knowing about their education and occupation background help us adjust the example and vocabularies. And last is cultural background or religion. Knowing about our audience cultural or religion background help us to create our term in speech fit to the audience as a respect diversity and avoid sensitive issues. Example in condition: if you are giving speech about online education to the middle school students, you would use simpler language and maybe example from their daily lives. But if your audience were teachers, you would include statistic or theories about a learning to convincing them. The second audience analysis is situational audience analysis. Situational audience analysis deals with context in which speech is delivered. It has key situational factors such as uh, audience size, physical setting, disposition toward the topics, the speaker, and toward the occasion. The first one is audience size. When we giving the speech into small group, it's different when giving speech to the big groups. When giving speech into small group, for example, to 10 audience, we can create a bond with them, we talk privately and use informal situation. But when we giving speech into big groups, like maybe 500 audience, we need and have tools like media visualization, microphone, or etc. Second is physical setting factors. Is is it a classroom, hall, or in outdoor area? The environment affect face projection and visual aids, so the audience get their information from our speech. Next is disposition toward the topic factors. Is the audience interest neutral or opposed to the topic? So before giving speech, we must find out who our audience are and make sure our topic is related with them or they need it. And next is disposition toward the speaker. When we are giving speech, we must find out, does the audience respect or knowing about the speaker. So, with some information to capture the speaker's value, so the audience will interest and follow the speech. And the last is disposition toward the occasion. Is the event casual, ceremonial, or formal event? So the speaker must choose the best sweet language and diction of word, also style of deliver that sweet with the audio, the occasion. After we identify the key situational factors analysis, would you help me to get the function of situational audience analysis for the speakers? Yeah, you're right. It helps speaker prepare mentally and technically. For example, that I have explained before, one of the condition when we give a speech in a large audience in a formal setting, we need microphone, clear structure, and more visual support. Those items help full for design situation can run smoothly. That's all that I can share about audience analysis. In conclusion, demographic audience analysis and situational audience analysis are essential parts of effective public speaking. Demographic audience analysis tell us who our audience is. Situational audience analysis help us understand the context of communication. By combining both, the speaker can deliver a message with clear, relevant, and impactful. Hopefully that's useful for you. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.